So while I was wandering, out of nowhere, I hear a kid screaming from inside a refrigerator from Bad Nuka-Cola. South of University Point and east of Jamaica Plain, near a ruined house, you'll hear a voice calling out from an old fridge.
Is someone in there?
Let me out!
Who are you?
My name is Billy. Please, I've been trapped in here for so long.
How did you end up in there?
I hid in here to get away from the bombs. But there isn't a handle on the inside, and it's really dark in here.
The bombs were over 200 years ago. You're that old?
I don't know how long I've been in here. A long time, though. A really long time. Please, I don't want to die in here.
Why should I trust you?
I'm really tired and lonely. Can't you just open the door?
Okay. I'll let you out.
Yes, I've been stuck in here for so long.
Shoot
Hurry
the
up,
handle
shoot the
off,
door
and
off.
out steps Billy, a ghoulified child who crawled into that fridge the moment the bombs dropped during the Great War and has
my
been
legs
stuck
are
in
so
there for
stiff.
200 years.
It's really bright out. I haven't seen the sun in so long.
So what does Billy want? Simple. Billy just wants to go home and be reunited with his family in
Hey,
Quincy.
Billy.
He follows
Thank
you
you.
like a lost
Thank you
puppy,
so
a
much.
glowing, slightly radioactive lost puppy.
So, what's the story with you in that fridge?
It happened so long ago, back before everything got wrecked. When I heard the sirens, I tried to find someplace safe. When everything started to shake and fall apart, I just crawled inside. When it got quiet again, I tried to get out, but there isn't a handle on the inside. I just want to go home. Can you help me? Please?
Well, where did you live?
Quincy, but I don't know how to... Blown up. I just want to find out what happened to my mom and dad.
Then let's go find your home.
You don't need to worry anymore.
Thanks. I live in Quincy. Or at least, I used to. But I don't know how to get there. Everything's so different. It's all blown up.
When you reach the Peabody house, Billy's parents turn out to be ghouls too, and they're alive. The family reunites, and if Bullet is still breathing, he'll show up demanding the whole ghoul family. You can sell them out, bluff him with a hard charisma check, or just fight him and his goons. At which point, the Peabody family will actually back you up.
We thought
happened to you? You're all burned up like me.
We're ghouls, Billy. The radiation changed us. Looks like it did the same thing to you.
Don't worry about it, Billy. Your dad and I don't care what you look like. We still love you.
I love you too, Mom. I missed you guys. It's been so long.
You there, in the house. I want those ghouls, especially that kid. You can give him up peaceful like, or die trying to save him.
Why does he want me?
Oh my god, they want Billy!
They won't take us, Carol. At least not alive. Billy, get upstairs.
Over my dead body. These people are under my protection.
I'll wear your eyeballs around my neck!
Oh god.
One more obituary!
Bad feeling here.
Let's do this.
You are really pissing me off!
Thank you for bringing us back our little boy. And saving us from that man.
He's a good kid.
Here, take this. I wish I had more to give you, but we don't have much.
Hi there.
I never thought I would see my mom and dad again. Thanks.